Find us on Facebook, where we have groups where we're going to help you journey through chronic pain. If you're suffering, you don't have to suffer anymore. We have a tribe, a community. We have amazing videos with recipes, food, different ideas that you can do, and ways to help you deal with chronic pain, maybe live through and come out of chronic pain and live a pain-free life. I am dedicated to helping people like you who are listening, helping you live through pain, journey through chronic pain, and become pain-free. I'm Dr. Ramah Jean Wagner, Real Health Care.